The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is an upcoming smartphone expected to launch in the second half of 2025. It is anticipated to feature a 6.7-inch LTPO dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2000 nits, offering a smooth and vibrant viewing experience. Under the hood, the device is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, built on a 3nm process, coupled with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The rear camera setup is expected to include a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 12MP ultrawide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, capable of recording 8K video at 30 frames per second. For selfies, a 10MP front camera is anticipated, supporting 4K video recording. The device is likely to run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0, offering up to 7 years of software updates. Powering the S25 FE is a 4600 mAh non-removable battery, supporting 45W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging. Connectivity options are expected to include 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and USB Type-C 3.2. The phone is also rumored to feature an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, and IP68 water and dust resistance. As of now, the official release date and pricing have not been confirmed, but the S25 FE is expected to be available globally, including in markets like Tunisia.